Hey everybody, I want to show you how to do a quick and easy dewy looking summer makeup using these Beautycounter products. If you're not familiar with Beautycounter, Beautycounter is a brand fighting for cleaner, safer beauty products. When you use Beautycounter products, you are guaranteed that there are no harmful chemicals in them, like coal tar dyes that can cause cancer, or parabens that can disrupt hormones. These products are safe and clean. I know I don't want that kind of stuff on my skin, and I don't want it on my daughter's skin either. I love this no frills box because I can recycle it, and the packing is paper. I can recycle that too. I'm going to start by preparing the skin with a moisturizer, the Countermatch Adaptive Moisture Lotion, the Skin Tint Hydrating Foundation, which gives you a light dewy finish, the Touchup Concealer Pen, the Color Outline Eyeliner Pencil in black, Lengthening Mascara, the Satin Powder Blush in Guava, the Brow Gel, the lip sheer in Lily, a gloss in Bare Shimmer. left you some links below in the description so you can do some shopping. Be sure to use my links, because when you do, I get a little commission and it helps me help animals in need. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing, and thanks for supporting me. See you in the next video.